today there's a Cars and Coffee at COTA, Circuit Americas, which is up in Austin. I haven't been to an actual Cars and Coffee event from them since before COVID, and I think this is their first one since everything and all that. So super pumped to go up there. Actually pumped I have the day off too. So I'm in the M2 and Ethan's following behind me in the Supra, and we're gonna go up there, hang out. Don't mind this thing, it's freaking out as always. It's trying to fix itself. But yeah, the M2 is getting high in mileage. It's about to hit 9,000, so behind me. Yeah. There's just something about the Supra I love. Freaking love that car. It looks so sick. Yeah. It's just like all the angles are right, you know? Crazy. That tower right there is how you know you're at COTA. So we're in line right now. I guess all the good cars are gonna sit in the middle for the time being. I don't know how packed it is up there or what's going on, but I can tell that the parking lot is absolutely packed. So should be a sick turnout. I've seen some cool cars go by. I don't know if they're already leaving or if they're just trying to bypass the line. If we even are in a line, I don't know. So just gotta play the waiting game and then see if we can get in there. People are going crazy already. We got this dude out here filming. We got another dude over here taking pictures. Hopefully I can get some off of him, because I think he got one or two of me and Ethan. And then this dude got out the whole gimbal rig. Alright, it's been 45 minutes now. We've made it into COTA, but we still gotta do some like random ass loop. There's Benz right here, that thing's sick. 5 Series. 911 over there. This is easily the most amount of cars I've ever seen up here. I'm sure Ethan saw more when he came for F1, but for just a 4-hour event, this is gnarly. Like, there's just so much cool stuff coming through. Old RX-7, a lot of GT350s, a lot of Supras, a lot more than I expected. There's a couple new G80 cars, G82 cars, some old M cars, some current M cars, a lot of GT350s. Pretty sick. I'm actually like pumped about this turnout. So, but yeah, we've been in this line for an hour now, and we're almost there. Almost. Got a love for CTSVs. They're cool. A lot of cool stuff going on. Love this community. It's always super cool. This is the dude that was taking pictures. He's out making a run for it. There's 6 OG M2 back there. Gold 763s. Are you by that? Alright, well, parked up. Of course, had to go by ourselves. I'm just gonna check out the Supras. The weave almost looks green. Yeah. Ooh, I like the blue too. Me too. Right? And like, if I being a
been years since I've been to a car meet this big here. Like,
I like it, dude.
I don't mind
These
it.
are tasteful. Are those 20s?
Yeah, the cars can start doing their
Are those
donuts
20s?
if they want. I don't care.
Yeah, it's like that. That's amazing.
Those are 20s.
Yep. I heard.
20s do look good. With the M-style mirrors. Street Hunter wing. Supra. I like those winglets better than the ones on that one. That looks sick though. This is factory paint. And look at the green in it. Yeah. Like base model Civics can have that paint.
Damn.
It's crazy. Oh my god.
Let me turn the. I can turn the start light headlight on.
Oh, you have that?
Yup.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Hold on 1 second.
That's so sick. Yeah. It's a basic setup right there. Sorry, man. You guys brought a test drive over here. That's so funny. Oh, you could have parked them both right here.
I think this is a 9 Lives wing too.
Pardon me. Sorry. I like this blue. Sorry, bro.
No, you're good. You're good.
Hey, that would have been your car if we wrapped it harder.
I know, right? Literally.
Is that a Supra? The Wagon 3 Series. Another crowd of M2s. Except this is a frozen matte PPF on a Hawkins.
Same color as yours, but has the matte.
Yeah. I don't know if I like. I don't. It looks cool, like on like all like the grooves and stuff, but I don't know. Yeah, it don't look right. I like this look. That is all sick right there.
What's that? I'm sorry. Come on, Baba.
That is pretty gnarly. Yo, this is tight too. Love the car, man. Thank you, bro. Still looks good. That's the dude from Lime Creek.
Yeah, I know. I told you.
Once everyone gets all caught up, the car's rare itself, and in the Golf.
Yeah.
That's sick. But this dude's local. If you get your windows tinted, I'm probably going to him.
Where's he at? Santa?
Yeah. Yeah, all these dudes that are coming through here, hella loud. They all look like douches.
Yeah, especially the Mustang guys.
It almost looks gray, like it's not gray. Okay, it looks good. He needs to watch our spacer video, and he needs to lower his car,
And we'll get it
which
down
will
pat.
be in our one of our next videos.
Exactly.
Exactly. So. Hot dog mobile.
Just a casual like 1.6 mil right there.
Hot take. I think I like the M3s better than M4s.
I like the rear of the M3 better.
I like the rear of the M3 way better. Cause it looks so like.
Yo, his fit is fucking perfect.
I know. With the carbon slick back roof.
Yeah.
Dude, that's San Marino blue, I think, or something like that.
Gas Marina.
Gas Marino. Like a hammerhead shark.
Yeah.
I think that's a regular color. I'm not a fan of those at all. They do look really small.
With the tow hitch.
Look at the tips. Just gotta ask, I guess. I like the spec. I like that the GR is better than the BRZs.
Yeah.
So I like the front end better, and I like the black wheels. The red one needs to be slammed though.
So everyone needs to have these rims.
I would take this car. I know you'd take that one, but I'd take this one.
Yeah.
needed a house out here.
That bit blow up, bro. Fuck.
Dude, I bet. One day.
Soon.
Tomorrow. These houses are amazing. If anyone watching lives in one of these houses or out here on Lake Travis, on Lake Austin, thank you for watching. If you aren't watching, I'm surprised. I don't know what you're doing watching me, but hit me up because this is pretty sick and I want to hang out here more. So, like, look at this. That little channel over there. There's a little lake out there. It's just so pretty. Dummy expensive, but it's so pretty. So sorry if the coloring is a little off in those last few clips. I just found out that I wasn't recording in my normal video settings, so that's fun and fresh. So yeah, we just had lunch at some really cool like ski place, and then now I think we're gonna keep driving around, maybe find a Best Buy. That sounds kind of cool. And then I think we're gonna go out towards Lime Creek Road, and then maybe hit that a time or two. I don't really want to do that too much. It's a little too hot for that right now, but we're gonna do something along those lines. So, but currently the roads to this restaurant are actually pretty nice. They're nothing too crazy, but they're pretty curvy for a Texas road. So, yeah. Quack, quack.
I don't know how to do that, sorry.
I'm so pissed. Gay. Made it all the way home on fumes. So I'm filling up the M2. Apparently he's too good to get gas. Have his daddy do it. So. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. Kind of a long day. Started pretty early in the morning. And then now it's like insanely hot. My car says it's 112 degrees. So, this might be 2 videos. I'm not too sure. I know the Cars and Coffee video will be long if it is 2 videos. But I don't think the other video that I could make out of it would be long enough. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're still here, thank you. I appreciate you. Feel free to drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and join me on the next adventure.